Can the Computer Misuse Act catch anonymous cybercriminals? Imagine trying to catch someone hiding behind a mask in a crowded room. That's similar to what law enforcement faces when dealing with anonymous cybercriminals. The Computer Misuse Act 1990 is the main law in the United Kingdom that tackles cybercrime. It makes it illegal to access or change computer data without permission, use unauthorized access to commit other crimes, or disrupt computer operations. This law covers many devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones, and targets actions like hacking, spreading malicious software, and launching cyberattacks. The law mainly applies if the crime has a connection to the United Kingdom. If the hacker is in the UK, or the target computer is in the UK, or the crime affects the UK significantly, the law can be used. Even if someone plans a cyber attack from outside the country but targets a UK system, they can still be prosecuted under this law. Now the big question is, can the law catch anonymous cybercriminals? Online anonymity is a major obstacle. Cybercriminals often hide their identities using virtual private networks, fake accounts, and encrypted messages. The Computer Misuse Act does not specifically mention anonymity. It focuses on what was done, unauthorized access or data modification, regardless of who did it. Law enforcement agencies use technical tools to trace these hidden attackers. They work with internet service providers to get user data, use forensic analysis to find clues, and sometimes cooperate internationally to identify suspects. If enough evidence links an anonymous person to a crime under the Act, they can be prosecuted. But if the criminal's identity remains unknown, the law cannot directly punish them. In the world of artificial intelligence and technology, new methods are emerging. Artificial intelligence and machine learning help detect, analyze, and attribute cyberattacks. These tools can recognize patterns and connect data from different sources faster than humans. They can improve chances of catching anonymous attackers. However, these technologies also raise questions about privacy and data protection. They must be used carefully to respect individual rights. In reality, the effectiveness of the Computer Misuse Act in catching anonymous cybercriminals depends on whether law enforcement can identify the person behind the attack. The law provides the framework for prosecution, but without proof linking a person to the crime, enforcement cannot happen. Advances in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity are helping improve detection, but legal and ethical boundaries still matter. To sum up, the Computer Misuse Act can be used to prosecute anonymous cybercriminals if they are identified. The law itself does not prevent people from hiding their identities, but it sets clear rules about what actions are illegal. Technology, especially artificial intelligence, is making it easier to find and catch these hidden attackers. Still, the legal process relies on gathering enough evidence to connect a person to the crime. As cyber threats grow more complex, the relationship between law, technology, and anonymity will continue to evolve.